This is how to install a wall decal for StickyMy.com. The first thing I did is I drew a line across the bottom of the decal. It's not cut evenly around the outside of the decal of the actual sticker itself. So what I did is on the back here, there's these little squares, and I drew a dark line across the squares, and then I drew it on the front so I could see it on my transfer tape. From there, I just lined this up on the wall the way I wanted it, made sure it was level by measuring from this line, and then put big tape marks up here to hold it. You'll see how that works in a second. So Trent's going to help me. It's easier with two people. And we're going to take this, and then you'll peel the backing off of the decal. And you'll take it, being careful because it's really sticky. And you'll flip it back over and then use like a credit card or like a gift card or whatever, and lay it down, and then go center out to the corners to avoid any air bubbles. And then you'll take your corner of the front transfer tape and peeling. It's easier if you peel right against itself so that it's touching itself. And you might have to kind of push down on some of the decal to get it to stick to the wall, but then you just peel like this.